H11 LED headlight bulbs, mini-sized 80W 16,000 lm, extremely bright. The Brightest AUXITO H11, H8, H9 headlight LED bulb conversion kit, 6500K Xenon white, 2-year warranty, pack of 2. Overview fast. The Brightest H11, H9, H8 LED headlight bulbs of AUXITO. DC 12-24 volts, 40W and 8000 lumens, bulb at 6500K white, super focused and stable light output, 400% brighter than halogen H11 bulbs. These non-polarity H11, H9, H8 headlight bulbs are sized to fit your housing perfectly and can be plugged directly into your original factory sockets. No more modification on headlight housing or cover. 0.079 inches ultra-thin copper board for 360 degrees illumination, helps you see wider and farther. No blinding to oncoming traffic, don't dazzle other drivers. Ideal for drivers who looking for better visibility. CAN bus-ready design makes H11 LED bulbs compatible with 99% plus vehicles system. Upgraded driver with built-in intelligent IC and temperature control ensures lamps working at the best status without error or radio interference. Whole aviation aluminum body and 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fan provide super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lasting up to 50,000 hours. 30 days money back and 2 years hassle-free warranty on H11, H9, H8 LED headlights. Friendly customer service responses within 24 hours. Why do we design these H11 LED headlight bulbs with independent driver? We aim to keep the electronic components away from the heat source and guarantee the service time. The built-in smart IC ensures the best temperature protection and headlight performance. Ultra-thin board design effectively simulates H11 halogen lamps beam pattern and solves the problem of focusing unevenly or dark area problems.